Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
All right, so we're here with JJ and Natalia and Isabella. We got everybody here today, and we're going to be testing liquid solutions to see which is an alkaline, otherwise referred to as a base, and which is acidic. And the way to test that is we're going to be using this guy right here.
He's not for live life.
Red cabbage powder.
Why is him a guy? He's not for live life.
So we also have our sodium bicarbonate, our
Hello.
baking soda
I said hello.
as our base, and our citric acid as our acid. And Isabella, you want to start things off? So we have 40 milliliters right here of water that we're going to pour in this cup.
Again.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the second take because we had a little spill on the last run. Well, we're going to try it again. Okay, we got this ready. Now, JJ, would you like to grab the red cabbage powder?
Uh-huh.
All right, go ahead and grab the jar with the red cabbage powder.
I want it.
And pour one small scoop into the cup.
Right here.
Yeah,
Doopy doopy. Woo.
there you go.
That looks so dark. Wait, is it still turn blue? That's my favorite
We'll see.
color.
Okay, and now pour another scoop.
Okay. I got a big one, Daddy.
Yeah, into into the next cup.
Okay.
Put a little bit more in there.
Doopy doopy. Now why turn to dark purple? Blue.
So this red cabbage powder, let me see it. There you go. This red cabbage powder is going to tell us which of these liquids is acidic and which is going to be a base. So now go ahead and stir them up, JJ.
What's this?
Yep. Stir it up real good.
Oh, this kind of like black. Ew. It's almost like a chicken.
Okay, you got that one pretty good?
Yes. Ew.
It smells good, right?
Ew. It's like chicken.
Yeah. Okay, pass it down. Let the girl smell it. And
Ew.
start stirring the next one, JJ. Smells pretty good.
It smells like, I think, raw eggs. That's so ew, ew, smell like rotten. Like rotten eggs, I think. Yeah, it's so yummy. That why I feel eggs last time. Those stinky eggs.
The green eggs and ham.
Yeah, right.
You love green eggs and ham.
I don't like. Ew.
Talia, you really love green eggs and ham, right? Yeah, you do.
Dad, is this good? I love green
Yeah,
eggs
baby.
and ham.
Okay, so now that we got our red cabbage liquids over here, next we're going to be adding our baking soda
Do that.
as our base. So Natalia, get the scooper up there.
Wait,
Hold on, Isabella, pass it to her.
why are you so good, Daddy?
Because that one was for the red cabbage powder. This one is going to be for the baking soda.
And can I do
All
that
right, and
one?
get a scoop of that baking soda. Try to get a big scoop.
Oh my. Wait,
All
I'm
right, okay, and pour it into that cup.
That's too white, Daddy. He didn't do nothing.
Hold on. Okay.
Another one?
Wait. Did you get the spoon wet? No? Okay, good. Now, Isabella, take the spoon. And we're going to put this jar up.
Can I smell it?
JJ, no, we need you to mix it.
Oh.
Make sure you don't have any more of the purple on this spoon, okay? All right.
Okay.
And go ahead
Oh,
and mix
that's right here.
That's fine. Go ahead and mix it up real good. And Isabella, you're going to be doing the citric acid.
Ew. I don't like the color. Why it's so itchy? A little bit of That
full
is
scoop.
great.
1 full scoop.
Ew. This is great. No, Dad.
Did you pour it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you? And you got that spoon wet, right? So don't put it back in the citric acid. But you got a full scoop in there, right?
Yeah.
That's all right. Keep stirring. Messes happen, right?
Oh, it's white though. I can't even. Oh, I can't.
Keep doing it. Stirring it. Isabella, what you got? You poured a full scoop?
It's so itchy.
Itchy.
Look.
Okay.
I'll smell it. I want the purple one.
Okay, so now we're gonna put that spoon up. We're gonna put the citric acid back.
And I'm gonna do it.
It's always fun to do this with more than one
Daddy,
person,
this
so that way your attention can just be divided 1,000 ways.
Daddy? I need chips. I want my chips.
Okay, so you done? So that means it dissolved into it. You stirred it until it all dissolved. Now we need you to stir the next one. So this one is going to be our citric acid, right?
Let me do it.
And this one was our baking soda, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna pour it
Okay,
on me.
wait, Talia. Okay, so we're gonna keep our baking soda here, and JJ's gonna stir the citric acid, and then we're gonna put that one there.
I just want to pour this on me because it's so hot. It's so hot.
Stir it up real good, JJ. Make sure it all dissolves in there. And then Natalia is gonna use her pipette.
It feels so good though. The purple one. Oh, it's so.
The warmness.
I don't want to pour it on me.
You can take a hot bath later.
Right, I ought to put this on me. That's something dip on it.
Y'all want to drink that?
No.
No. We don't drink stuff unless we know what it is, right?
No, that's not juice, right, Daddy?
No.
That's
Okay.
not juice.
Stir it up, and then we're gonna watch the magic happen, okay? What do y'all think is gonna happen?
It's gonna turn white.
White?
Yeah, it's still white.
Okay, what do y'all think is gonna happen when we mix the base with that red cabbage powder juice?
I don't know. Maybe it'll turn blue or red.
Why do you think that?
Or all the colors.
Isabella, what do you think?
I think it's gonna turn maybe whitish and a purplish.
Oh yeah, why?
Because that one's pretty much whitish. That's nothing. And that one's pretty much purple.
Okay, you got it? So that means it's all dissolved in there, right?
Oh, I don't see nothing.
So whenever you stir it and stir it and stir it, and you don't really see anything anymore, that means it dissolved
it's
inside
a
of
one
it.
little blue right here.
Okay, so let me see. Now,
I'm so
we'll put that
wet.
there. And Natalia, we're gonna start with the base. Remember, this one's our base, right?
I'm gonna do the
And that
purple
one's
one.
our citric acid. Okay, start with our base.
I can't.
Here, let me scoot it towards you. Hold on. And then we're gonna fill up that pipette with the base, and then we're gonna pour it inside of
Slowly,
that
Tyler.
red cabbage juice.
No, not too fast.
You ready to pour it in?
Let's.
All right. What's
It's turning
happening?
blue. I already know it.
Try it again.
My favorite color, Daddy. It's blue. So it don't be blue. They can ask the question. They
Pour it
can
in.
ask the question.
What? Pour it in.
So it turn it into blue. Purple and white make blue. Purple and white. Oh, my favorite color. Hello.
All right. And put it in there. But remember, don't put it all the way inside of it. Just right there. Squeeze it in.
But Daddy.
All right. So it started turning blue, right? It took on that bluish color. Maybe let me see if I can get the camera to see.
Dad.
So look at that. It started turning this bluish color, right?
Yeah. But that happens
Okay.
when you do
Now
that.
what happens if we try to use that citric acid?
Yeah, I was trying
Talia?
to say that.
Here. Now we're gonna put the citric acid inside of our other red cabbage juice.
Oh, it's the red. It's red. I already know red.
Let's see what happens.
Or blue. My favorite color. It's gonna be orange. Okay, let's see about that. I told you. My red.
Wow.
My red. My red.
Look at that.
Dad, I already know it'll turn red.
Do one more, Taya.
That way.
Now look. Now pay attention. The more of the citric acid that she's putting is the more of a red color it's taking, right?
Yeah, more.
See how it's turning more reddish, more pinkish?
Yeah.
the more she puts in there is the more it changes. So
Don't change.
ultimately what this is doing, this red cabbage juice, is this red cabbage juice is being used as an indicator. An indicator of whether something is a base or whether something is acidic. Now remember, now listen to this. I know y'all don't know about pH yet, right? But pH is a line, right? Here's the middle.
Cool.
And the more to one side of the line you get, the more of a base it is. The more to the other side of the line that you get is the more acidic something is. And this red cabbage juice is telling us if something is acidic
Ow.
or if it's a base.
A little pink on me.
Now, what happens when y'all mix the red and the blue? Bella,
Purple.
would you like to pour one into the other?
Oh no, don't. I'd like to be purple.
Bella, grab the 2 cups.
No.
Natalia, pass them to her, please.
Wait, that I want to do. Can I pour the blue though?
Let her pour this one up.
Okay.
We all got to take turns,
And
right?
then can I stir it?
Sure.
Oh,
You ready, Isabella?
It'll be purple again. I already know. Boo-boo-wee-ra, boo-choo-wee-ra. Oh
Here,
no.
pour the whole thing in there.
No. Oh. No.
Ooh.
It's like a blackish.
Purple again?
Oh, purple and a blackish.
All right.
So-
JJ, would you like to stir it slowly?
Oh yeah.
Mix it all
I'm
up.
scared.
Here, you can use a little spoon if you want.
Oh yes. It's a little. Sorry. Drink it.
Oh yeah, that looks delicious.
No, I don't want to drink it. Oh, I can't sip it though. I'm almost touching it. This one's too little.
So, citric acid is what? What is citric acid?
That was my
Which color did the citric acid turn?
white. No, blue. Red.
Red.
Oh.
So the citric acid
No,
is the one that
blue.
turned red.
The other one too blue.
And the baking soda?
Blue. Turn blue. Blue.
Right.
Blue.
So which one is a base and which one is acidic?
That is too big.
Which one is a base and which one is acidic?
This is acidic.
Okay?
That one's acidic.
Nope. So this one is acidic, right?
Yeah.
This is the one that turned red. Natalia, you listening? Okay. And this one is our base, the baking soda. This is the one that turned blue. And think about it like this. With the test, right? What letter does baking soda start with? B.
And it has the B in
B. Baking soda.
You can
No. Baking soda. B.
B.
Okay. And what letter does base start with? Taya?
S.
Base.
B.
What letter is that?
B.
B. That's right. So baking soda starts with a B. Base starts with a B. So that's an easy way to remember it, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
And they have the words right there. That's all of them are dripping. Look at my hands.
All right. Well, we're gonna get this mess cleaned up now, right, guys?
Yeah. Look, I can mix it.
Did y'all have fun?
Yeah. Look, Daddy. Now.
Oh yeah.
It
There.
looks like rainbow.
Everybody say bye.
Bye. I can touch it now.